This is the Boeing one-day reading for July 10th, 2024. It's currently June 3rd, 2024, 8:07 p.m. Eastern Time. Boeing at the time of this reading is $184.57 USD. The shuffle video for the July 10th reading was created on May 24th, 2024 at 12:22 a.m. Eastern Time. That's the video playing for you in the lower left corner. So the overall theme and behavior for Boeing on the 10th, we have sideways rotation along key support level that'll stand out on a multi-day scale. Behavior on the high side, we have a lot of volatility and price change taking us into, a lot of volatility surrounding the high and a lot of price change taking us into and or out of the high. This is also a cross-reading congruency with the high card from the 1 year, or from the 1 month. So that gives it special significance because this here on the 1 month, this is where we see a high signification as well. So it's a super strong significator, indicating we most likely have a highest high here. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a prominent move higher through key resistance. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through it shortly thereafter with a full retracement. And I'm advised to trade around a notable peak that will sell off from pretty notably on a one-day chart. Now I'm going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behavior as well as timing the highs, the lows, and the best trade opportunities. But before I do that, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. In the pre-market, we have a crest that we sell off from down to and through support. We do a U-shaped reversal below that price level, come back and reuse it as support. So it looks like there was probably a lot of price change here overnight. If not overnight, then right here around the open, a lot of price changes, trade opportunity, and in the midst of a period of volatility, there's a fast sudden move higher, increasing with momentum out of that period of volatility and taking us into a peak just before 10 o'clock. From that peak, we sell off pretty notably through multiple support levels, taking us into an important trough on a one-day chart, roughly 11 and 12. There's a trade opportunity at that trough as well. And then out of that trough, we have a big move to the upside, reaching for a distant resistance between roughly 12 and 1, taking us to a high for the day, somewhere between 1 and 2. And off of that high, which will be at a key technical price level, we'll break through it momentarily, but it'll be a resistance level that's important on a multi-day scale. We decline pretty notably off of that high, around 115-ish. That's then followed by a notable move to the upside between 2 and 3, continuing onward between 3 and 4 to reach a resistance level where we kind of flatten out at the close. There's a high there at the close or in the post-market as well. So the resistance that we fall from here around 1 o'clock, we then return to is probably at the close, if not at the close on the following day. Sneak preview for the following day is a rally offering opportunity to open up a short position or close a long position. So low correlation here indicates likely a significant low or lower price level there at some point, price level than today at some point. And in the post-market, we have a sharp decline, a notable decline. That's Boeing for July 10th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Guys, if you want to get a reading like this by the hour done for any for any crypto or ticker symbol that you're interested in, it's one of our custom services. You can get it on our website. Check it out here. The way that you can get a custom reading done, like you have a ticker or a crypto symbol that you're interested in, you can get a custom reading done here under our services, SO Meta Post. Scroll all the way down, custom monthly reading, click here to order. This is one of our pricier items, but the information that you get, you can't find anywhere else. Nobody even comes close to the same accuracy or detail. Now keep in mind, we're not right all the time, so never trade like we are, you will regret it. And also give it plus or minus a day of wiggle room here or there, depending on if the sequence of events is right on point or a little bit off. It could be a day here or there, but the sequence of events always remains accurate. So as long as you remember those things and you trade responsibly, you should do pretty good with this information, my friends. Again, found nowhere else, totally undervalued. You just put in the month that you're predicting and the ticker symbol or crypto, specify crypto if it's crypto, and add to cart. Much appreciation to everybody that does that. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned if you got the paid version.